Hi, I am Arindam Mullik and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Our today's topic is transpose of a matrix. How to transpose of a matrix. This is part 28. Let's start. What is transpose? What do you mean by the transpose? How to transpose a 3 cross 3 matrix or order 3 cross 3 matrix. Transpose is simple way you just think or remember. You just interchange the rows to column or interchange columns to row. That is basically transpose of a matrix. Means there is a matrix. Now you are just interchange means which a row, then row is changed from column. Will change to column. Row become column or column become row. That is simple way. It is a transpose. I will show you and as an example after our this video. Okay, show you an example of the transpose. For transposing, for an example, this is a matrix. Okay, this is a matrix. Means what I'm trying to say that the transpose is, for an example, this is a row. This is a zeroth row. This is a row 1, row 2. For an example, in transpose, this array is become the column. Sorry, this row means this row 0 is become the column 0. This row 1 is become column 1. Means this is a column. This is a column 1 element. 4, 5, 6 is a column 1 element. This row 2 is a column 2. For an example, this 1, 2, 3 is makes us column element 1, 2, 3. This row is converted to the column. This is a column 2, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9 is a row. This converted with a column. 7, 8, 9 is a column 2. Okay, that means, or simply you can also remember as like this is a column. Column is goes to the row. For an example, so 1, 4, 6 is a column 0. This column 0 is a row converted with the row 0. Here 1, 4, 7 is a converted with this. 1, 4, 7 is a converted with the previously this was the column 0 element. These are now row 0 element. This is basically interchanging. Or this is a column 1 element. We are interchange is as a row. These are row 0, row 1 element. Okay, now this is a column 2 element. This column 2 element is interchanging with the row 2, 3, 6, 9 is a column element. After interchanging to the row, is become the row 2 elements. This row 2. This is a basically algorithm for the transposing of a matrix. As I already explained, for matrix creation and print the two for loop, nested for loop. One is for, this is for the array, this is for the row, this is for the column. Okay, this is the creation of the, means row wise we use this I is first outer for loop. This inner for loop is for the creating the column, then insert the correct position of the element. This is a basically logic. Transpose of ij. What do you mean by this transpose of ij? It's a transpose matrix. Transpose ij is stored assigned with the matrix ji. Means this is a just opposite. Here transpose ij is stored with matrix ji. Ij is stored with ji. So just opposite. Okay. I will explain the tracing our this algorithm. Then it is more clear for you and clearly you understand that how this algorithm is working. I will trace this algorithm and then I will show you the source code and show the output. And then we will matching our tracing result is matched with our output or not. For an example, we will take this matrix as an example. In the previous, on the 2D array, I will take this example, the creation of this matrix. Same example here we will take. This is a matrix. Now, this is a row, this is a row, this row is a column. Okay, this horizontal part is a row, vertical is a column. Okay, now So how to find an element? 0 0 1. 0 1 row means row 0 column 0 1, row 0 column 1 2, row 0 column 2 3, row 1 column 0 4, row 1 column 1 5, row 1 column 2 6, row 2 column 0 7, row 2 column 1 8, row 2 column 2 9. Okay, now this over. Now go back to our algorithm. What does the algorithm says? For I equals to 0, I less than 3. Now, I equals to 0, 0 less than 3. What is the, so is the condition is true or false? True, because 0 is smaller than 3. Next. Next. Condition is true. Now, inside this for loop or nested, okay, inside this for loop. For j equals to 0, j less than 3. If condition is true, go to this part and execute this statement. Means transpose of ij is stored with the matrix j of I, then further j is incremented, okay, until the condition is break. So j becomes 0 now. 0 less than 3, yes. Then transpose of ij, what is the I value? 0. What is the j value? 0. That means transpose of 0 0 is assigned with matrix of ji, matrix of ji. What is the matrix? J value? 0. What is the I value? 0. That means a simple way, transpose 0 0 is stored with matrix 0 0. Okay, what is the matrix 0 0 value? 0 0 value is 1. So this 1 value is stored with transpose 0 0. That means here. Okay, this is how we take the input as 1. So this 1 is successfully inserted of transpose of 0 0. That is row 0 column 0. Now again, increment j become 1 now. 1 is less than 3, yes. Then transpose of ij, what is the I value? I value is not changed, so I value is 0. What is the j value? 1. That means 0 1. Transpose of 0 1 is assigned with the matrix ji. What is the j value? 1. What is the I value? 0. That means in simple way, transpose of 0 1 is stored with matrix 1 0. Okay. Now, what is the value of matrix 1 0? Row 1 column 0 4. So this 4 is stored with transpose of 0 1. Transpose of 0 1 is successfully stored with the value of 4. Okay. Just tracing. Increment j become 2 now. 2 is less than 3. Condition is true. Transpose of I. What is the I value? 0. What is the j value? 2. That means transpose of 0 2, row 0 column 2 is successfully assigned with matrix ji. What is the j value? 2. What is the I value? 0. That means matrix 2 0. What is the value of matrix 2 0? 7. So 7 is successfully inserted on the position transpose of, that means row 0 column 2, row 0 column 2 successfully inserted the value 7 now. So row 0 is completed. Then go to the row 1. So now increment j is 3 less than 3, stop. Next. So now again go back. Now so I is incremented. I become 1 now. 1 is less than 3, yes, condition is true. Then j is again assigned with 0, starting from 0. J equals to 0. 0 less than 3 is transpose of ij. What is the I value? 1. J value 0. That means transpose of 1 0. This position, this element. Okay. Transpose of this row 1 column 0. Assigned with matrix ji. Sorry, ji. Yeah. What is the value of j? 1. What is the value of I? 1. That means what is the value of matrix 1 1? Matrix 1 1. Matrix 1 1. What is the value of matrix 1 1? What is the value of matrix 1 1? We successfully sorry, this is my mistake, sorry. Here I will just a mistake and I will escape this line, sorry for that. Then so what is our I value? I value become 1 now. So 1 is less than 3, yes. Then j is assigned with 0. 0 less than 3, yes. What is the transpose of ij? What is I value? 1. What is the j value? 0. Okay. assigned with matrix J, J is 0. What is the I value? 1. That means what is the value of matrix 0, 1? Matrix 0, 1 value is 2. So this 2 is successfully inserted on the transpose of 1, 0. That means here. So this 2 is successfully inserted in the row 1, column 0 of the transpose matrix. Now, increment J, J become 1 now. 1 is less than 3. Yes. Transpose of, what is the I value? 1. What is the J value? 1. Equals to, assigned with matrix J, J means 1, I means again 1. So that means matrix 1, 1. What is the value of matrix 1, 1? Matrix 1, 1, 5. 5. 5 is successfully inserted on the transpose of 1, 1. That means here 5 is successfully inserted here. Now again J is incremented. J become 2. 2 less than 3. Yes. Transpose of IJ. I value is 1. J value is 2. Transpose of 1, 2. This value successfully inserted on the, we assigned with the matrix of J. J value is 2. I value is 1. So matrix of 2, 1 means row 2, column 1 successfully inserted on the transpose of row 1, column 2. That means what is the value of row 1, column 2? Successfully inserted with the value matrix of row 2, column 1. This value 8. So this 8 is successfully inserted on the row 1, column 2. This. Again increment J. J become 3. 3 less than 3. Stop. So our row 1 of the transpose matrix successfully, all value is elements is successfully inserted. This is full. We are go to the next row. For this increment I become 2 now. So I is now here. So 2 is less than 3. Yes. J is again assigned start from 0. 0 is less than 3. Yes. Transpose of IJ. Value of I 2. J 0. That means transpose of 2, 0 is assigned with matrix Ji. What is the J value? 0. What is the I value? 2. But now, what is the value of matrix 0, 2 means row 0, column 2, 3. Row 0, column 2, 3. This 3 is successfully inserted on the transpose of row 2, column 0. So these 3 is successfully inserted. Next. Again, J become increment J. J become 1 now. 1 is less than 3. Yes. Transpose of, what is the I value? IJ 2. J means 1. So transpose of 2, 1. Transpose of 2, 1 is successfully inserted on the value of matrix 1, 2. Matrix, because J value is 1, I value is 2. Matrix 1, 2. What is the value of matrix 1, 2? 6. So means transpose of row 2, column 1 successfully inserted with the value of 6. Again, increment J. J become 2 now. 2 is less than 3. Yes. Transpose of I means 2. J means 2. Matrix of J 2, column or I2 means what is the value of matrix of row 2, column 2? 9. So this 9 is successfully inserted on the transpose of 2, 2. This row 2, column 2. This 9 is successfully inserted. This is our final transpose matrix after tracing. Okay. Now we will show the code. This is the code for transposing. Okay. This is the logic for transpose. I already explained the algorithm. This is a logic for transpose. So then we will print or take the input a matrix for this nested for loop structure. Then we print the matrix. This is a logic for transpose, and after transposing we have printed. So click on execute, compile, then run. Enter the elements. We will enter the elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our elements. I will enter that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, after transposing, result become this. Now we will check is our after result is matched or not as our tracing result. Just we are checking. matched or not. After transposing, what is the elements? What does the array become? 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 4 0 1 4. This is a transpose matrix. Okay, 0 2 7, yes, 0 2 7. Then 1 0 2 1 1 5 1 2 8, yes, it is a value of 1 1 is 1 2 is 8. Next 2 0 3, yes, 2 0 is 3. 2 1 6, yes, 2 1 2 1 column 1 6. 2 2, that means row 2 column 2 9, row 2 column 2 9. So this is a successfully we are matching as our trace result and the output result of the transpose matrix. So this is the procedure how to transpose a matrix, find the transpose of a matrix. So I will, in this video I will explain what is a transpose. So I will again request you, please practice the code, okay, and I will promise, I will try to provide the source code on the program on the as the previously. Up to that, up to today we will run the code. I will provide you the source code, okay, and try to provide you the source code. But for now you will just, this is a source code for the transposing. So this is a source code for transposing the matrix, okay. But tracing and tracing, dry run, more and more dry run, tracing every code, every algorithm you are tracing the code. Tracing is important. Logic, understanding the logic is important. If you are tracing, your understanding capability, understand the code, what is the algorithm does, how the algorithm does work, clear your concept. Tracing is first important. Then this algorithm, find the algorithm, remember the logic, understand the logic is important. Then you will implement with the code, okay. So keep practicing. For today, thank you, and keep practicing, okay. Thanks. In my next video I will explain the multiplication of the two matrix. Thank you.